Nursery cartoon love, journey with who
In a tranquil pond where the lilies sway lived 5 little ducks who would frolic and play. With feathers so bright, they'd quack with delight in a world full of wonder from morning till night. They splashed through the waters so merry and bold, chasing sunbeams that danced like strands of gold. But beneath the tall reeds, in shadows profound, an owl watched them closely without making a sound. This wise old creature, with eyes sharp and round, knew secrets of nature that lurked all around. While ducks chased their dreams in a carefree ballet, the owl pondered life in his thoughtful array. "Why do you splash?" he called to them one day, "when the world holds more mysteries than mere child's play. Look deeper," he urged as he fluffed up his plume. "Beyond fleeting joy lies both wonder and gloom." The ducks paused their antics, they gathered near close, curious creatures drawn forth by his prose. "What can we learn from an owl such as you? We revel in life, we have nothing to rue. With wisdom unfurling like leaves in the breeze, he spoke of the seasons that come with unease. How time ebbs away like water from shore. Joy can be fleeting, life offers much more. Then one little duckling with courage so sweet said, "But isn't it better to dance on instead? To laugh at our worries and splash all around? Why dwell on dark shadows when laughter is found?" The owl nodded slowly, he saw their delight, yet whispered soft truths hidden deep in the night. Embrace every moment, both sorrow and cheer, for each has its place throughout all your years. So 5 little ducks learned beneath twilight skies that joy mingles softly with sorrow's disguise. They played by the pond where reflections did gleam, and cherished both laughter and wisdom's kind dream.
Nursery cartoon love, journey with who